So this is a web admin dashboard that if you have the app, if you have the Pro, you can certainly log in here. So I just scanned into my admin dashboard, and the place that we're looking for lead journeys is down here, right at the bottom. You always have a default lead journey. This basically enables you to generate leads through this URL. Now, if you want to create custom campaigns, you can certainly do that too. You can see I created one for Steve, one for my email signature, maybe one for Facebook. You can create unlimited of them. I'm going to create one for today. I'm going to call it win-win. Immediately, I get a URL. Now, let's just go to this link and see what it looks like. So whenever I send this link to a prospect, this is what their experience is. They're going to be able to see my branding, my contact info, and some kind of pitch to get them started. You could customize this pitch to say whatever you wanted to say. And you do that inside the admin dashboard here under refinance. You get to see a nice preview. And what I'm going to say is, hey team, find out if you can lower your payment with refinance. Let's go. That's the call to action. Refresh this, and you can see it's immediately updated. So once I go through with this process, you get your progress bar. People can put in their info. For example, what's my remaining balance, the current lender. And the goal is to capture information, but also to provide them with a meaningful result at the end. So let's just keep everything the same here. How much is the current mortgage payment? They can add in, they can change the payment frequencies. And here is the opportunity for debt consolidation. So they can just use a slider, very easy, very smooth, to set their current balance on their credit card, their car loans, $30,000. It figures out what the minimum payments are, but they can always update this. They can add in other debts they want to consolidate. And then here's the option to choose whether they want to lower their payment or pay their mortgage faster. All this info, by the way, is traveled to you in real time. So you know what kind of prospects you have on your hand, whether they are looking to save some cash flow or they want to pay off their mortgage faster. Let's lower my payment here. So this is now, it's going to give me a bit of value because this is what prospects want. They don't want to just say, okay, we got your results, give us your contact info. You're going to get a lot of drop-offs. Here, at least they get to see some real numbers, real calculations. And now, in exchange for more info, we ask them to put in their contact info. And because we don't want you to waste your time on spam and people just put in random emails just to get the results, we verify the contact info. So I'm going to now go to my inbox and get the code. I got the wrong code. See? This prevents people just putting random stuff. All right, here we go. That's the correct code. Fetching my results. And you may have heard it. My phone just dinged. And maybe I should show it to you. So this is what the prospect sees. They see their savings. All the details are broken down for them. Their current payment, their new payment, that the amortization was extended in order to help them with cash flow, the rate, their current rate, and then the new rate is a range because we don't want to disclose them the actual analysis that we did. But we do look at over 100 products, thousands maybe, and we search and find the best rates. And then with that, we analyze which option is the best way. But the whole point of this is for your prospects to get some meaningful results while capturing contact info. And let me show you what it looks like on my phone. All right. So you can see there's a new refinance lead entered here. And if I just close all my notifications, you can see that I got a lead here. And this is the time you call the client for this. Now, where do you want to put this link? Well, there's quite a lot of places. So this is our official page for it. You can add it to your website. Easy. You can share with potential clients. You can meet someone and say, here, I'm going to send you a link. You can have this link bookmarked in your phone. You can co-brand it with your real estate agent. So this is coming in the next release, where you will be able to actually not just generate the link, but you can add in the profile of the real estate agents right next to it. And then you can dedicate that link to that agent and say, hey, Mona, the realtor, here's the link. Send it to anyone you want. That link is actually going to help them with refinance as well as pre-qualification. You can post it on social media. I would just grab this link, copy it, open up Facebook, and just post it up. You can add it to your email signature. You can always have a link dedicated to your email signature so that anyone filling it out, you know the source. Literally everywhere.